Hello everybody, welcome back for another video, and today I would like to talk to you about another sound that we Brazilians have difficulties with. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be about the T sound. If you remember it right, a couple of videos ago was about the sounds p, k and t in English. But today is going to be exclusively about the sound T. And why? Because Portuguese from Brazil has a very specific characteristic. When we have the sound T followed by E, the sound E, like in chia, we usually say here, where I live, we usually say chia, like ela é minha tia. I don't say ela é minha tia. And that causes a problem for us. Words ending in T, we usually tend to say like ch, because we say chia, chia, ch is the sound for T, right? This is what we think. And no, please no. So whenever I have a T sound, I'm going to say it like that. Ta, ta, right? It's a T sound with an aspiration, like I said in the previous video. But that causes a problem for us because we're not used to that aspiration. So when we are counting, for instance, we usually say 1, 2, 3, or 3, right? So I'm not saying 1, 2, 3. I'm saying mascar árvore. 1, 2, 3, 3, right? That is incorrect. So we shouldn't do that. The right way to approach the issue is to use a T with an aspiration. T, right? So I will not say chia, I will say tia, 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 right? So in this way, I will never say 2, 1, 2, 3. I will say 1, 2, 2, 3, okay? So 2, and the same goes for também, right? And for to, as in the infinitive, like to go, to be, I don't say chu, all right? That's very Brazilian-ish to say it like that, okay? So the aspiration, I never say the sound ch for T in English, because I use this sound ch for CH in English, such as in the words cheese, right? The word chase, so the word match. So I will not use that for a T. So I don't say don't, I say don't, okay? That's it. So today's video, I notice I don't say today, I say today's video is about the sound T in English, because we Brazilians have a tendency of mixing, of making a confusion, misunderstanding the pronunciation of that sound. Okay, this is it for today. Thank you very much for watching our videos here. Keep following KNN on Instagram, and please, in the comments here, write your questions. Let me know about your difficulties, and we will make a video about it. Okay? Thank you, and happy Easter. Goodbye.